not sitting down, I'm standing. You fucking try. Yeah, you speak. Right now,
Sit the fuck down!
Go what? You know what? Come then. You're a fucking truck. You are a truck. You think I'm scared of you, little truck? Go suck your nan. Go and suck your dead nan. You little truck. You fucking truck. Suck your nan. Gunshot in your fucking head. Gunshot in your head, you pussy. Hello? Really, yeah, the man was all trying to get involved in my business. While I'm talking to you, some racist fucking stinking dog want to get involved in my business and give you all the fucking lies to me. I'll kick him in his bollocks. I'll pull his dick out of his body. You don't know me. I'll pull his dick right out of his fucking body.